Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today sharing a very unique and a different style of making katrika pachadi. That's brinjal semi-dry curry. That's a super delicious side dish for any type of biryanis, pulaus and even rotis and parathas. For making pachadi or gravy, that's katrika pachadi. These are the ingredients we require. So here I have taken 5 to 6 brinjals which I'm going to slit from here. And then among the spices, we require 2 tablespoons of red chilli powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt as per taste. And for tempering, we require 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Then we require 1 tablespoon of roasted peanut, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, which we're going to grind it together. Then we require 2 tablespoons of jaggery, few garlic cloves, curry leaves and green chillies. And we're going to require a small lemon sized tamarind. So soak it in water and then we'll extract the pulp from it. Now let's prepare brinjal pachadi. For that, into a pan, dry roast the sesame seeds on a low flame until it splutters and slightly changes in color. Then allow it to cool down and grind it with roasted peanut. Now into a white saucepan, add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, that's called nallanai in Tamil or tilka tel, and then add the slitted brinjals. Add in all the brinjals, and since there is water in the brinjal, it will splutter. So you can cover and allow it to cook for a minute. Keep the flame on medium-low. Now fry the brinjals for around 2 to 3 minutes until it turns soft and slightly changes in color. Brinjals are fried well, so transfer it to a bowl. And then into the same oil, we're going to give the tempering. So going to add mustard seeds, allow it to splutter. Then add cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds, black peppercorns. Roast for a few seconds. Once it's roasted well, add in the curry leaves and then add 2 slitted green chillies. Then goes in the garlic. Here I have crushed the garlic. Add it. And now roast the garlic until raw aroma goes and it slightly changes in color. Now to this, let's add the spice powder mix. Add in the spice powder. Keep the flame on very low and roast the spices, do not burn them, and then immediately add the tamarind water which we have soaked before. After adding, give a good mix and now let the gravy simmer until you see traces of oil. Now to this add jaggery and mix it well. Once it's mixed well, now to this we're going to add the fried brinjals and mix it with the gravy. Now cover and cook the brinjals until it's completely done. It took around 3 to 4 minutes and brinjal is very well cooked. And you can see the gravy is also ready. Now at this stage, we're going to add the sesame peanut paste that I have grinded with little water. So add this paste and then give a good mix. Soon you will see that the gravy will start to thicken up. So once it does, allow the gravy to simmer until you see traces of oil. You can see the traces of oil now. And that's it, our brinjal pachadi is ready. Garnish with chopped coriander leaves, give a mix and serve it. This katrika pachadi is a great combination with all South style biryanis. Hope you like this video. Stay connected with Nisha Taju for many more videos. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.